The 2025 Ford Transit continues its legacy as one of the most versatile and dependable commercial vans on the market, with a blend of utility, comfort, and modern technology that caters to both small business owners and fleet operators. This latest model refines the already proven formula with updated styling, enhanced interior features, and a broader range of configurations to meet just about any hauling or passenger transport need. Under the hood, the 2025 Transit offers multiple powertrain options, including a standard 3.5-liter V6 engine and an available twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6 for those who need more power without sacrificing efficiency. Ford also continues to offer an all-electric e-Transit version, delivering emissions-free driving with impressive torque and a quiet ride, ideal for urban deliveries and environmentally conscious businesses. Depending on configuration, the Transit delivers excellent payload and towing capacities, with rear-wheel and all-wheel drive options available to handle a variety of road conditions and job demands. Inside, the Transit surprises with a driver-focused cabin that feels more like a modern SUV than a utilitarian van. The dashboard has been redesigned with better ergonomics, and higher trims offer a 12-inch touchscreen running Ford Sync 4 system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driving position is commanding, with excellent visibility and supportive seating, making long hours behind the wheel more manageable. Storage compartments are intelligently placed throughout the cabin, and USB-C and power outlets are abundant, ensuring devices stay charged on the go. On the outside, the 2025 Transit gets a subtle refresh with updated grille designs, LED headlamps on higher trims, and a more aerodynamic profile that helps improve fuel efficiency. The design remains purpose-driven, but it's been refined to look more modern and polished, especially in passenger van variants. Multiple body lengths, roof heights, and up-for-tread options allow the Transit to be tailored for everything from mobile workshops to 15-passenger shuttles. Safety continues to be a strong focus, with Ford including its Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assist technologies as standard on most trims. This includes features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, which are particularly useful for commercial drivers operating in busy urban areas. What sets the 2025 Transit apart is its adaptability. Whether it's being configured as a high-roof cargo hauler, a people mover, or a fully electric delivery van, the Transit delivers a platform that can do it all while maintaining a high level of comfort, tech integration, and performance. For businesses and individuals looking for a reliable, customizable, and modern workhorse, the 2025 Ford Transit remains a top-tier choice in the commercial van segment.